Hi guys, so today I want to share this recipe for some of the best chocolate chip oatmeal pecan cookies I have ever had. Now to start off, we're going to make our dry ingredients. You're going to take some flour and you're going to mix in a little bit of baking soda and salt. And this right here will be our dry ingredients. Now to my mixer, which I am still currently learning how to use, I'm going to add in my sugars, brown sugar and white sugar. And then we're going to add in some melted butter. And then we're going to turn that on and get that going. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add in some honey, 1 egg, and some vanilla. Let that beat for a minute, and then I'm going to go ahead and add in my dry ingredients first. I know it shows me adding in my oatmeal first. I don't know why I did that, but you want to add in your dry ingredients and then your oatmeal. And then you're going to add in some chocolate chips and toasted pecans. Trust me, it makes a big difference if your pecans are toasted. Next, I'm going to take a measuring cup, a 1/4 measuring cup, and I'm going to measure out some cookie dough and make some balls, some cookie dough balls. Flatten these with the back of a spatula. You don't want to make them super flat, but you do want to flatten them down some. So now we're going to wrap that up and pop it in the fridge for 2 hours. Yes, I know, seems like forever, but it's totally worth it. And after 2 hours, I'm going to add them to my baking sheet. Next, we're going to pop these in the oven at 350 for 12 to 14 minutes. Girl, you know how some people say, ooh, I put my foot in it. I mean, I put my foot, my shin, my kneecap, I put everything I had in these cookies. They are so freaking delicious. Oh my God, they're so good, you guys. Please try them. Best oatmeal chocolate chip cookie ever. Yum.